In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add emojis to the conversation inbox in HubSpot. If you're using HubSpot to manage customer messages, live chat, or support emails, adding emojis can make your responses feel more friendly, more human, and more engaging. Whether you're in sales, support, or customer success, this quick feature can instantly improve the tone of your conversations. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can start using emojis in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is go to your inbox inside HubSpot. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, look at the top navigation menu. Click on CRM, and from the drop-down menu, select Inbox. This will take you to your Conversations inbox where all your connected channels live, including live chat, email, Facebook Messenger, and other integrations. Make sure you're inside the correct inbox if your account has multiple inboxes set up for different teams. Next, open any conversation. You can click on an existing open conversation from the left-hand panel. It doesn't matter if it's a live chat thread, an email conversation, or a bot handoff message. Just select one conversation so you can see the full message history on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll be replying to the contact. Now, click into the reply editor. At the bottom of the conversation thread, you'll see the message reply box. Click inside that text area as if you're about to type a response. Once you click into the editor, you'll notice a formatting toolbar appear. Depending on your HubSpot setup, this toolbar may include options like bold text, links, snippets, attachments, and more. This is where the magic happens. To add an emoji, look for the emoji icon in the formatting toolbar. It usually appears as a smiley face. Click on that emoji icon and an emoji picker will pop up directly inside HubSpot. From here, you can scroll through different emoji categories or search for a specific emoji using keywords. For example, you can type smile, thumbs up, or check to quickly find the emoji you want. Simply click on the emoji and it will automatically be inserted into your message at the cursor's position. You can add emojis at the beginning of your message to make it feel welcoming, within sentences to emphasize tone, or at the end to create a friendly sign-off. For example, adding a simple smiley face can make a support response feel warmer, and a thumbs up can reinforce confirmation. Just be sure to use emojis appropriately based on your brand voice and the context of the conversation. Once you've added your emoji and finished typing your message, you can send it just like any other response. The emoji will appear directly in the conversation for the contact to see. And that's it. That's how you add emojis to the conversation inbox in HubSpot. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in how your messages are received. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.